Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to bead this gorgeous azure drop earrings. These earrings I have beaded using SuperDuos. These are in size 2.5 by 5 mm SuperDuos. Then the other material that I have used for beading these earrings are the 6 mm crystal, 4 mm bicones, 8/0 Miyuki seed beads, 11/0 Miyuki seed beads, and some 15/0 Miyuki seed beads. Along with that, I have used jump rings, this 2 centimeter ball pin, and ear hooks. Okay, so let's get started with beading our earrings. One thing I want to make sure with you guys that when you're working with the SuperDuos, make sure that these SuperDuos are workable from both holes. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have picked up 4 sets of 11/0 and SuperDuo. Okay, so this is one set, 2, 3 and 4. All right, so pass them down all the way to the thread and tie a couple of secure knots. These earrings are very quick and fun to make, and it looks really rich. Okay, so once you are satisfied with the knots that you have tied, you can cut off the excess thread if you want to from the tail part. Okay, I'm just leaving it on for now. We'll go through this. I will go through this loop one more time. So I will go through all 8 beads just one more time to make it more secure. I have passed my needle through all 8 beads in a loop just one more time, and now I am stepping up. I'm stepping up on this SuperDuo on the top hole over here. Okay, like this. So I just came out of this 11/0 and I stepped up to this second hole of this SuperDuo on top over here. Okay, now I will pick up 3 SuperDuos. Okay, so only 3 SuperDuos. I haven't picked up any 11/0s here. 3 SuperDuos, and I will go through this next available SuperDuo over here. Okay, pull my thread nice and tight. So don't keep your thread too loose, just pull it tight, so that will give you a nice formation over here. Okay, again pick up 3 SuperDuos and go through the next available SuperDuo hole over here. Pick up 3 SuperDuos and go through the next available SuperDuo here. Now I have picked up last set of 3 SuperDuos, and I will go through this SuperDuo hole over here like this. I will pull my thread nice, and now I will step up through this SuperDuo over here. Okay, so I have stepped up onto this top hole of the SuperDuo here. Now I will pick up 1 11/0. Okay, and I'll go through this next hole over here. Again I'll pick another 11/0 and I'll go through this next SuperDuo. Pick up this 8/0 and go through this SuperDuo here. again I will pick up 11O and I'll go through this hole here. Next 11O and go through the hole next here. Now I will pick up 8O Miyuki and I'll go through this next SuperDuo, pick up 11O and pass it through the next SuperDuo, pick up 11O and pass through the next SuperDuo. Next I will pick up my 8O and I'll pass it through this SuperDuo here. I will pick up 11O and I'll pass through this SuperDuo, 11O, pass through this SuperDuo, and I will pick up my last 8O for this round and I'll go through this SuperDuo and the 11O over here. Okay, now I will pick up 2 11O, 1 8O and 2 11O. So I will pick up 5 seed beads, 2 11O, 1 8O and 2 11O, and I will pass my needle through this next 11O. So I will skip the middle SuperDuo over here and I'll pass my needle through this 11O. Okay, like this. And don't worry too much about this shape over here. We'll sort that out in a minute, because as you can see, this is a very pointy shape over here and this is currently not looking as sharp pointy as it should be. Okay, so don't worry about that for now. And now I will pass my needle, so make sure that you are coming out of this 11 over here. Now you need to go through this SuperDuo, this middle 8O, next SuperDuo and 11O like this. So pass your needle through this SuperDuo, 8O, SuperDuo and 11O. Okay, and pick up your next set of 2 11O, 1 8O and 2 11Os, and I'll again pass through this 11O, skipping the middle SuperDuo. So I'll pass through this 11O, through this SuperDuo, 8O, SuperDuo and 11O. So like this, I'll pass my needle all the way. Okay, again I will pick up 2 11O, 8O and 2 11O, and I'll pass my needle through 11O, skipping the middle SuperDuo. I'll pass my needle through this 11O, SuperDuo, 8O, SuperDuo and this 11O over here. And here I have picked up my last set of 2 11O, 1 8O and 2 11O, and I will skip the middle SuperDuo and I will go through this all the beads over here. So I will go through the 11O, SuperDuo, 8O, SuperDuo and 11O on this side. Okay, now I'm coming out of this 11 over here and I will step up through this 2 11Os. Okay, and I will skip the middle 8O, and then I'll skip the middle 8-0 and I'll pass my needle through next 3 11-0s, and I will pull my thread nice and tight, and that will give you the sharp pointy edge. Unlike this you see over here, these are not very sharp pointy, so that is why we'll go through all this 11-0 over here, and we'll repeat the process of what we did over here. So I'll show you one more time. I'll go through all these beads over here. I'll pass my needle through SuperDuo 8-0, and I'll go through this SuperDuo and 3 11-0s like this. I will skip the 8-0 and I will pass my needle through next 3 11-0s. And that will give you the perfect shape like this. So repeat this process 2 more times and I'll see you for the next step. Okay, so once you're done with the previous step, we have to attach this 4 mm crystal bicone in the middle like this over here. So for that we need to step down on our earring. So currently I'm at this middle point over here. I will pass my needle through this SuperDuo here, and then I'll go down on the down hole over here like this, and then next I will go through this SuperDuo and 11-0. Okay. Okay, so once you reach at this point, pick up a 15-0, 4 mm crystal and 15-0, okay, like this, and pass your needle through this through this 11-0 on the opposite side like this, and pull your thread, and now go back to this 15-0 bicone and 15-0. Pull your thread nice, okay, and this time I'll pass my needle, because I initially came out of this side of this 11-0, so this time I will pass my needle through the opposite side of the 11-0 and through this SuperDuo as well. Okay, pull your thread nice. So that we have attached our 4 mm bicone in the middle of our earrings. Now go back through a couple of beads over here and tie a secure knot and cut off the excess thread once you're satisfied that you have gone through the enough beads and you have a secure connection with your thread. Once that is done, you can cut off the excess thread. Okay, so that is our earring almost done. Now we have to prepare our this crystal. So pick up 2 cm of the head pin, insert 1 11-0 and the crystal, the 6 mm crystal. I'll turn this into a loop. Okay, so this crystal was prepared. Now I'll take a jump ring open your jump ring, insert your crystal, and I'll insert it through this 8O over here and close it. Okay, so that we have attached our crystal through the bottom of our earring, and I'll connect my ear hook as well. So for that I'll take another jump ring, I'll open it, I'll pass it into this 8O, and this is front of my earring, so I'll make sure that it come in a front like this. I'll enter it and I'll close off. Okay, so that is our earring complete. So make your own earrings and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you in my next video.